This week we've done a number of meetings with the Mesh Ireland campaign group. We've met with the Commissioner for Older People and also with the Chartered Society of Physiotherapists. Within these meetings there's broad agreement that women's health care needs much more attention paid to it, and that we also need to find better care pathways for all areas of pelvic health. But I suppose in the immediate term what our priority needs to be is to deal with the women who are currently injured by mesh implants. There has been some progress north and south of Ireland with recent bans and suspensions on the use of mesh implants, but the health systems north and south still have much more to do, and we as a party are here to support all the women and indeed some men that have been affected by mesh implants.
Mesh Ireland has been working together with Orlia for over a year now. This time last year I received my ECR to have a full mesh removal in London. I'm standing here a year on, and I still have the implant in my body. The issue of full mesh removal is very important to all women with mesh implants. We have one chance of getting this plastic out of our bodies. If surgeons snip it, becomes increasingly difficult, if not impossible, to remove it. There are many women in Northern Ireland who have mesh implants who will not be aware of the dangers of them. In particular, older people. Mesh has been implanted for over 20 years in Ireland. If you have an elderly lady in your family who may have had an operation for women's problems, who's suffering from dragging leg, through pains in her body, through chronic fatigue, through urinary incontinence, please consider asking them whether they have had any women's operations that involve mesh implants. We have a support group, Mesh Ireland. We are working very closely now for a new solution. The impact of mesh is devastating on every woman's life. We would like to thank Orlia Flynn and Louise O'Reilly of Sinn Féin and the leadership for their continued support. And anybody who is suffering from these problems, please get in contact with Mesh Ireland and we will try to help you find a good solution.
Sinn Féin, Goannas Carta agus Aontas na HÉireann, Equality, Rights and Irish Unity.